Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so shortened Globex day yesterday into Tuesday. We talked on Friday about how the bulls needed to escape the lower band ride, which is this engagement with the lower 2 standard deviation Bollinger Band here. This is the Friday print, the low of 36.39. You can see in yesterday's Globex session and again today, this is all trade date Tuesday though, so technically while I understand that this little bar right here is not involved with the lower Bollinger Band, technically it doesn't end the band ride because yesterday was a holiday and it's they have until the end of the day to try to get down and reach down and grab that lower band down at 35.94. It would take some doing, but not a whole lot of doing. What we've seen since Friday, Friday consolidated, it broke down, but they rejected a little bit, got it back, made a higher low during the holiday session, and have basically walked the sucker up into the 37.50 area. You're getting a little bit of pushback now. The hourly mid band is at 37.24, call it 37.25. That's going to get some engagement here. We'll have to see as the pre-market goes and as we get into the day, what does the hourly middle band want to do? Does it want to be support here? Are they going to seal it off, head back down, and maybe retest the lows from yesterday? Or is it just going to chop on a Monday or on a Tuesday, rather, that I think is going to act like a Monday for the majority of the day? And then, what people will say is, well, it's a bear flag. Okay, that's fine. If it's bear flag, it's got to break down. It's got to crack that 36.39. And then ideally, like we were just talking about over on the daily chart, you want it to go down, reach down, and grab that lower Bollinger Band, keep that lower band ride going. That would, basically, dishearten a whole collection of dip buyers that have been messing around for the last, 24 to 36 hours in this thing. And that's how bear markets go. The rallies get sold. Bull markets, dips get bought. Bear markets, rallies get sold. That's what we're seeing here. So coming into the day, you got volume weighted average price, 37.33. Proprietary moving average up at 37.42. We already talked about the hourly mid band, 37.24. So really 37.25 to 37.43 to 45, that 20 handle zone is going to be a big zone that's going to have to be dealt with today with respect to price. You win that zone, you certainly win the day. And then, as we get into the week, we're going to have to see whether the bulls can get back to where we were Thursday, up in those 38, that 38 area, and then potentially try to challenge the Fed high up at 38.43. What do the bears want to do? They want to close this week below last week's low at 36.39. That's the task for the bears. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.